What are the key skills a cybersecurity professional should have? You might think you're ready for cybersecurity, but what if I told you most people simply are not cut out for it? Stick around to find out if you're one of those who have the key skills you need to succeed. The first skill is problem solving. Cybersecurity is a puzzle that's always changing, always evolving. Hackers aren't going to use the same methods they used last year or even last month. You'll need to think on your feet and come up with solutions on the fly. This skill is about flexibility and adaptability. Just like the Rubik's Cube, you got to be able to twist and turn your perspective to see all the angles. Second, technical proficiency. Of course, you need to understand computers, networks, and systems. This isn't just about knowing how to use a computer, it's about understanding how it works, how to secure it, and how to fix it when things go wrong. You'll need to immerse yourself in tech. It's like learning a new language, the language of computers. Third, communication. Cybersecurity isn't a solo sport. You'll be working with teams, managing clients, or even explaining complex issues to non-technical people. You need to be clear, concise, and effective in your communication. It's not just about saving the day, but about telling the story of how you did it. Fourth is attention to detail. In cybersecurity, the devil is often in the details. A single overlooked line of code, slight anomaly in network traffic, a misplaced digit in an IP address, these can be the difference between a secure system and a massive breach. An eagle eye is a cyber pro's best friend. Fifth, understanding legal and ethical guidelines. Not all hackers wear black hats. Ethical hacking is a huge part of cybersecurity, but to walk that line, you need to know what's legal, what's not, and how to operate within the law to protect systems and data. Ethics and law are your compass in the digital wilderness. Lastly, a continuous learning mindset. Cybersecurity is always changing. Yesterday's solutions won't solve today's problems. Always be learning, always be growing, always stay curious. Your journey doesn't end when you land a cybersecurity job. In fact, that's when it truly begins.